Whether it's appliances, furniture, even a t-shirt, you've probably learned the hard way you get what you pay for. Renewal by Andersen has invested heavily in scientific research, so we can update your home with windows designed to last. We've tested our windows in the most extreme weather conditions. After 20 years, our windows still opened as easily as the day they were installed. And our Fibrex material won't chip, crack, peel, or fade. Sure, you could pay less for windows, but every day we replace failing windows less than a decade old. We believe windows shouldn't be disposable. They should stand the test of time. Plus, installation and our industry-leading limited warranty are both included in the Renewal by Andersen experience. That means you're not left wondering how much a contractor will cost up front or that repairman down the road. Learn more at renewalbyandersen.com.